And in today's video, we're going to disassemble Nami Viper because we had a problem. Look, that's my throttle. And nothing is going on, nothing. Let's disassemble. Red controller and the main cable. See? There's something. Oh, and now it's disconnected. And there you go, disconnected. I'm surprised how simple that device is. That's electric scooter. Well, it's so simple anyway. On the Facebook group, the official statement is unfixable. You have to replace it. But why? Because it's filled with a silicon. Silicon is soft, and bear in mind, I am a professional miner. I mined Bitcoin for 5 years now, so I make some digging, literally digging, and yeah, what do you know? The yellow cable, yellow one, is faulty. It is faulty somewhere. I don't know. It's on the at the very end. Maybe the soldering. My English. Sorry for that. Soldering is loose, or maybe it's broken inside. Well, we'll have to find out. But how did you know it's a yellow cable? Well, check it out. Let me bring for the yellow. Let me touch that pin. See? Exactly. We have to be very careful because it's a tight space, and if we touch the PCB, it'll be over. Okay, breathe in and breathe out. Great success. Sorry, I'm blocking the view. Let's test it out. Wait a minute. That's my fault. That's my fault. I just landed. Mission complete. And if the manufacturer watching this, there's a gray cable there. See, gray cable. It's not connected to anything. Is this supposed to be like that? Let me know in a comment below. Well, there you go. You need to put a thermal paste in there. The original one dries out, so bear in mind, check your thermal paste because you could overheat your controller. I'm using the PC quite good thermal paste from Noctua because why not? I've sealed the controller with the silicone, and now it's time for testing. And there you go. After 100 kilometers, I've got no issues at all. And I didn't waste other people's money with warranty and yeah, stuff, whatever. Thanks for watching, see you next video. Bye.